you going to put the potato?
We're going to get the basket in the garage, please. There's a big ones in there.
Big one?
Yeah, as in the side.
Let's go to balls.
It's right over here. Look at that.
Oh!
This one.
I was just looking on the ground.
Yeah, we're going to harvest what?
Potato.
Potato. Okay. Where's Marco?
I don't know.
Is he gonna help us?
Yeah, and also earlier he found the potato. Earlier checked this and this is red already.
Yeah, for sure it's red. Come on. There's Marco. The potato? At the very end.
Yeah, you're just there.
Yep. Yeah. Come on, let's harvest potato.
There's gonna be a lot of gasping. See? A lot.
Yeah, it's not ripe. It's just like a flower, I guess.
Yeah.
Okay, so ngayong hapon ay mag-harvest po kami ng aming tanim na patatas. So, yun po sila.
Yeah, it is.
Okay,
Squash around.
be careful because there's some onions here.
Oh.
And we have some squash out there. So we're gonna
Where
just
is it?
here, under here.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull this one out, okay? We're gonna pull this one, and then we're gonna put it here in the basket, okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
How about let's bring the basket? Oh.
It's okay. It's okay. Just put it first on the here in the ground, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, Marco, pull it out. Marco, where's Marco? Okay,
Then pull it.
pull it. Oopsie.
Only roots.
Yeah, all the way up here like this one. All it all together. And nothing. And we're gonna dig it. Okay, let's dig it.
Oh, not the onion.
This way.
Oh.
There.
Treasure! Treasure! So much treasure!
Treasure.
Marco says it's called treasure.
Oh, it's a big one.
Treasure! More
Wow.
treasure! Treasure
Oopsie.
everywhere!
This one is onions, eh?
More treasure!
Big ones.
Treasure!
Treasure. Treasure.
I found treasure!
Oh, treasure. Wow, it's a big one. Okay, this one here. It's a stone?
Yeah, got
No.
stone. No, here, stone.
Oopsie. Here, Marco, here. We're gonna help you. Put this one here. Let's pull it out. Oh, there?
Hey, there's a tiny one.
There's tiny ones. Yeah.
Treasure? Yeah,
Let's see how big it is.
Dun 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 dun.
Let's see how big it is.
Oh no, the onion.
Careful with the onions. Wow, it's a big one.
Mark.
That's
We
it.
dig too.
We're gonna dig two. Oh, there.
Oh, Kuya just touched the worm.
That's the worm. Oh, here. There. There. There.
Hey,
Oh, so
hey,
big.
Marco.
That's so big. Oopsie, the onion. Careful with the onion size.
No, that one's dead.
I'm gonna put my camera here.
This plum.
Can you see? Oh, wow. That's a good harvest.
Yeah, giant one.
Giant potatoes.
My boss.
I'm gonna put my camera first. Okay, it's right behind you. Okay.
So many. Marco, there's one right here.
Hey, there's more in here for sure. If you're gonna dig it under, you can find a treasure.
Hey, I found that one.
Here.
Oh,
There. Oh my god, it's so big.
enormous.
Enormous. Good harvest.
Yeah. Hey, I got the one. Oh, oh my god, this is the jackpot.
This one. Oh, I have a tiny one. So small.
Here.
Okay, give it to me.
Here.
One at a time. Oh my god.
Here. Kuya.
There's lots of harvest.
Papa.
Thank you. How fun it is, eh?
Oh, yeah. There?
I'm the last sweeper.
Ah. We're digging towards another potato.
Worms. Okay. So.
Here. Here, Papa.
Wow.
Another one.
Another one? A tiny one.
Another one. And another one.
Another one. Okay, let's
Another
put
one.
this right here.
Oh,
Oh my god.
there's already one.
Oh, excuse me first. I'm gonna go this way. You gotta go Marco's side. Oopsie. Oopsie.
Oh, there's a roots. I got some roots. That means there's probably some over here.
Yep.
No. Big one, dude. Wait, guys. Marco.
We're gonna put it here in the... Okay, first that one. Compost. Compost at this one is also...
Ow!
Careful with your hands. There might be a sharp thing in there.
Nothing. Oh, worm. What's a worm? Don't give me the worm. Why not? I'm horrified. We're digging up ant homes right now. A big one. A big one. Ah!
Wow!
Potato mother blow! A mother load! Oh, I got some.
Yeah, get some.
This is the mother load.
Hey, there's some in here.
This is the jackpot.
There's some in here.
There must be
There's
more.
There's
We
some
just
in there.
found the jackpot. Right? Right, Papa?
And it's jackpot today. That is jackpot today.
How about this one? Wait,
Yeah,
I'm gonna pull this one.
pull it out.
Wait! Wait! Dig. Here.
Dig, a little bit dig. Come on. Help me. Whoa. It's jackpot?
No.
There.
Oh, yes.
Whoa.
What? Oh, green one.
That's okay. It's just the flower.
Toxic.
No, it's the flower.
Oh, flower? How about look? That was toxic. Woo!
That's the biggest one.
It's the fattest.
That's the pot. Oh my god.
Oh!
Jackpot again.
Giga boy.
Which one's bigger? No.
Oh, wait.
More jackpot?
Oh, over here.
It's a big one.
I think so.
Jackpot for Marco. Let's see how big it is. There.
The
So hard. Watch out your hands. Careful with
big
your
boy.
hands. There you go.
I think this one's a big boy.
We're not sure yet. Maybe there's more bigger. Okay.
No, I said this one's a big boy, not the biggest.
Whoa.
Oh, I thought I'm going to be even bigger because
Yeah.
it's not that big.
Okay, let's move in here. Let's move this side here first. Okay. Wait. No. I gotta move this one here.
Whoosh.
There.
Oh my god, they're already above the ground.
Yeah.
This is kind of green. Yeah, some of them are.
That's okay.
turning a
Yeah.
little
Here,
green.
Kuya. Wow. Whoa.
I'm already finding. Can I use this? Can I use this?
You might gonna hit the potatoes, remember? This one here. Let's see in here first. 1, 2, 3, go. Jackpot. Whoa.
Here's Kuya.
Wow.
So many. They're already turning a little green.
Yeah. We're just like gonna separate the... Whoa.
Oh.
This one is super big here.
This one's like enormous. Got the, oh
Oh
my
my
god.
god.
Papa, I think I found an enormous one.
Oh yeah?
Oh yeah?
Where's the biggest one? Whoa! That one's the biggest.
We found the
There's another one. There's another one here. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at
I
that.
want to get that
Who's
one.
getting it?
Where's the other one?
Where's the other one?
Here. It's like a big boy.
It's in the big boy. Wow.
Oh my god!
Oh my god, Kuya is pulling it out. Kuya is pulling it out. Come on, you can do it. Help, help, help. A little
And
help.
also the good thing about this, it's not,
Yeah.
green.
That was so big. Oh my god.
Ooh, I feel like I just stumbled.
I need help. Okay, I'm gonna help you. I can
Oh
loosen it
my
out.
god!
Yeah, it's okay. It's the
Oh,
fault.
you're tickling my legs.
Okay, I'm gonna help you with this one. 1, 2, 3, all the way. Oh, jackpot.
Jackpot!
Let's move this one first. Excuse me. There you go, sirs. There you go, sirs.
You're even touching worms.
Oopsie, careful.
You're even touching worms. Ew. One worm. Ew, no.
Oh, it's a big worms, Marco. There's plenty of worms. Oh, see.
A centipede. Marco!
Here, Marco. Here. Careful.
More little green things.
There. I can see it from here. Oh.
There's some
Careful with your fingers, okay?
Oh, a potato. Another potato. Big one. And a little one.
Here.
Oh.
Oh my god.
Uh-oh.
That's okay. That's fine.
I kind of...
Here.
Jackpot.
Here, just jackpot here. Oh my god. Another jackpot. That's tiny one. Here, there you go. Thank you.
And
Careful with your hands again.
oh,
Okay, put it here.
and here's one potato. This is the jackpot. Oh, there's no more. Oh, okay, the scratched one. Oh, there, I got that mini one. I found the got a mini one. Oh,
We need the squash. We don't have that much squash. It's not? Nothing? Okay.
where's that shovel? Where's the shovel?
I think it's behind you. Oh, careful with your hands, kuya. Oh my god.
Oh,
Oh my god,
bumblebee.
a bumblebee.
Oh, that
my
was
shoulder.
huge in real life.
Look at my shoulder. Come on.
In real
Oh my
life,
god.
it's
Oh my god.
Why
Yeah.
did you do that?
Because it might gonna sting you, Sally.
No, if you harm it, it'll
Yeah.
sting you.
Just to make sure, eh? It's so big.
Wait, Martha, how about the big ones for last? Okay, don't put the big ones.
Yeah, there's more in here. And there's
How
here.
big our potatoes are.
Yeah.
And the sweet potato is bigger. Wait, do we have
Can I have
any
the-
sweet potato?
Can I have the other basket, please?
Wait, there's no purple potato.
Yeah, we didn't plant purple this year. Can I have the a big one, please? The basket. Here. Put it here, Marco, please. It's okay, kuya. Just leave it there. It's heavy. Oh my god. It's heavy. Here. There you go. Thank you.
A little bit. There's some good outside.
In the other basket, please. It's full. There.
So now we can pipe. What is your pipe?
Come here. Okay, we're gonna just like,
Pipe now? This one's like an onion.
yeah. On the other side. And we're gonna move that way. Yep. Let's go. Follow the leader.
Where?
And oh, how are we going to put this one? Under the table.
What?
Ito po yung aming na harvest ngayon na patatas. Ito raw ang pinaka maputing gulay. Potato. Ayan. So, ayan, malaki oh. Malaki. Grabe. So, ito po yung unang taon na nagtanim po kami ng patatas sa lupa. Nung mga nakaraang taon po kasi, ang ginagawa po namin sa grow bag. So, yung mga to, hindi po to siya medyo na alagaan kasi nasa gilid ng ating garden. So, minsan lamang po siya madiligan. Pero lumaki pa rin po ng ganito kalalaki, oh. Ang bigat. So tuwang-tuwa yung mga bata kanina sa pag-harvest ng ating patatas. So hindi naman pare-pareho, pero laki. Sobrang laki. Nagulat niya kami sa akala ko ganito lang kalalaki. Pero nagulat kami nung binungkal namin, yung binunot namin. Ang lalaki pala ng laman. Nakakatuwa naman, di ba? So, walang alaga to. Minsan lang madiligan, walang fertilizer, wala po lahat. Pero yan, nakatubo siya. Maganda po siguro yung lupa. Bago pa kami nagtanim, naglagay kami ng chicken dung. Tapos, sheep manure. Yun lang. Tapos, wala na. Yan. Ang ganda. Sulit, isang taong supply. Pag hindi tumubo, maganda to pang French fries, di ba? Ang lalaki. Ang ganda. So dito lang muna sila kasi busy pa ako ngayon eh. Yan po. So yun po yung ating patatas. So pagkatapos po naming mag-harvest, diretso po akong nag-dilig ng ating garden. So kakatapos ko lamang pong mag-dilig ngayon. So yan. So medyo minadali ko kasi may gagawin pa po ako ngayong gabi. So I think it's 7:30 na po ng gabi ngayon. Pero mainit pa. Sobrang init pa. Kanina nga po nung chinek ko yung temperature, mayroon pang plus 35 sa next week. So sobra pa yung init. So heat warning po yun. So maganda pa po yung panahon. So kanina si Marco medyo pagbungkal niya ng lupa, natuklap yung konti ng kanyang kuko. Pero akala ko titigil siya kasi masakit talaga yun, natuklap eh. Konti lang naman, pagbungkal excited po kasi, tapos siguro may matigas na bagay. So yun, pero continue pa naman siya sa pag-harvest, hindi naman siya sumuko, ayaw pa niyang palagyan ng band-aid o pahugasan. So diretso pa rin, medyo nagreklamo ng konti pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin po kami sa pag-harvest. So yun lamang po muna ngayong vlog ko ngayong araw. Nag-harvest lamang po kami ng patatas. Gusto ko lamang po i-share yung aming pag-harvest kaming mag-ama. So si Mrs. po kasi may pasok, kaya hindi po nakatulong sa amin. Kaya yun po, masaya sa garden, masaya inyo yung mga bata mag-harvest. So, tuwan-tuwa sila. Actually po kahapon pa yun gustong mag-harvest, kaya lang sobrang busy po. Tsaka nag-bonfire pa kami kahapon. Yun, meron kaming konting kantahan dun po sa dulo ng ating sa side ng ating garden. So yan lamang po yung aming simpleng buhay ditong pamilya. Yan. So sa garden lamang po umiikot, bahay, trabaho, garden. Yan. So yun po yung ating vlog ngayong gabi. So thank you for watching po sa mga bagong subscriber po namin. Maraming salamat po sa mga nag-like, nag-share at nanonood at nagsuporta sa aming vlog. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Mabuhay po kayo. God bless po sa inyo. Hanggang sa muli po. Thank you po for watching. And see you po my next vlog para po sa update dito po sa ating garden. Kasi mainit pa. Upo. Thank you for watching po guys. Maraming salamat mga kagulay.